Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about my daily and routine and student. You and usually wake up in the morning around 6 o'clock. I get up, take a shower, and hike breakfast to home. After that, my phone on organic set my activities for day. In the morning, I study my university course and do two assignments. Submit teams. I watch videos or the document in English in the afternoon. I read little and have at home. On home at 9, I read to finally that I'm preparing for the next day of your finally I go to because I need energy to continue learning.